Hey everyone, myself Sumit, and today we will see how to use lookup function in column in Sharepoint. So, lookup function is basically used when we have to show a relation between two columns. So, let's see it in practical use. So, I have created these two lists, courses and students. So, we can use the column data from one of these lists in an array. So you see how it works. So these are the courses and duration for this. So for duration, and this is the students data set that we have. These are the courses and these are the student names. So to use a lookup column, we have to go here, add column, then at the bottom we use lookup. Here it shows the short information about the column. Make a column from one list, become the choices in other list columns. So it is very helpful when there is a large data set, large number of data set managed, and they have to take a specific column information. Then lookup function comes very handy. So we'll name it students. Lookup. Then we have to select a source list. So our source list will be the students list that we have created with the student name, and the column from that we are going to find it's student. Then save. So here we can see student name column has been selected. So whenever we have to assign any student name, we simply have to click edit, select, and here we can see complete drop down from the students list for the specific column of students name. Then we can choose any of the name from this column and save. And that's how we can use lookup column function.